So some people want to know how to back up text messages on Android. Here, we will talk about 4 different methods of backing up text messages on Android. Method 1. How to back up text messages from Android to PC effectively. Mobikin Backup Manager for Android is the right-hand Android backup and restore tool that you need to back up text messages from Android to computer in a fast and convenient way. Install Android Backup and Restore on your computer and connect your Android phone. Click Backup, choose Messages, and select a storage location if needed. Click Backup to save Android text messages to your PC. Method 2. How to back up text messages from Android to computer selectively. Mobikin Assistant for Android is the best software for your effective file management. You can transfer text messages from Android to PC selectively with this way. Download Mobikin Assistant for Android on PC. Connect Android via USB. Enable USB debugging. Follow on-screen instructions to detect your device. In SMS folder, select and export messages to PC. Or if you need to back up text messages and other Android files with one click. On the main interface, you can tap on Super Toolkit Backup, and you can get a list files of your Android phone. Tick them on. Choose a location and simply click Backup to save files to your PC. Method 3. How to save text messages from Android to your Gmail account with SMS Backup Plus app. Step 1. To initiate the backup process, go to your Gmail. Click on the gear icon near the upper right corner and select Settings. Go to the Forwarding and POP or IMAP tab. Enable IMAP and save changes. Install and run SMS Backup Plus on your Android. Connect to your Gmail account by switching the Connect option. Choose the Gmail account with IMAP if prompted. Step 6. After confirming your Gmail account, you will be asked to back up your SMS or skip it. Please tap on Backup, otherwise, all the SMS on your Android phone will be marked as backed up and be ignored. Backup duration depends on the number of messages. Access your backed up messages on Gmail by logging into your account from a browser. Open folders marked with SMS to view the backed up SMS and Method 4. How to back up SMS on Android with SMS Backup and Restore app. Step 1. Download SMS Backup and Restore to your Android phone and launch it. Step 2. On the main interface, tap on Backup. Step 3. Tick on text messages or call logs for backup. You can edit the name of the backed up files. Themes and emojis or special characters can be included as well if needed. Step 4. Select local backup or backup to cloud storage. Then confirm your selection by tapping on OK. Click Backup now to start the process. Please don't forget to check over Wi-Fi if you want to upload files.